While I was doing some research for this video, I found a home battery backup system that could apparently save up to 40% on my parents' electricity bills, which is something I wish I knew about sooner after spending years renovating my parents' house and in the process installing a bunch of lights, which have definitely driven up some of those costs. So hopefully this should fix that problem.
That's big one.
What do you mean it's big?
It's a big panel. So we're going to be out of the hour and a half. We're going to be out of the power?
Yeah, but then you're gonna be powered.
Yeah, power. Then I'm going to pay more bills.
I don't know about that one.
Maybe
I don't
the
know.
bill is going to go up.
No. I promise that.
Skyrocket.
I promise. No.
We're gonna double your electricity bill.
No.
Yeah. I can see it. I want to see it.
But while the panel is getting set up, let's check out some of the other items. So these are portable panels from EcoFlow, and I'm hooking them up to their batteries and a DPUX, which is an inverter meant to power homes. And since they're modular, I thought, why not try attaching it to my truck? All right, so we got a solar panel here and on top of the roof. And then in here we have the batteries with the solar panels connected to it. And if we come over here and open this bad boy, oh yeah, there we go. We're making electricity, boys. We're literally making over 500 watts just off 2 solar panels. And if we wanted to, we could plug in 2 more. So we could pretty much be making a whole kilowatt hour just off of this. I feel like this is the ultimate setup if you go like camping or something. You can literally plug in whatever you want. So Mom, Dad, I know you guys were a little freaked out about what we're installing here.
Yeah.
I have no idea, honestly, I don't know.
You don't know?
It's a robot.
Pretty much this company called EcoFlow, they make a whole entire home battery backup system. So if there's ever like a storm or something and there was like a giant outage, it would power the house.
So that's great.
That's good.
And so you might be wondering like, oh, where does the electricity come from?
Yeah.
Well, there's a few ways it can make electricity. So I don't know where you remember where the fuses are at.
Yeah, it was outside.
It's on the back. So the electricians actually removed everything and they put it in the front here.
Oh, okay, good.
Right.
Yeah, so we have everything from like the AC, fridge, all that stuff. But what's really cool about this is a gadget too.
Okay.
This is a smart home panel.
Uh-huh.
So if you go on the app and you can see every single room and how much electricity you use.
Oh.
So you always give me shit for how much, like leaving the lights on and stuff in my room.
That's cool. So,
But now I could show you exactly how many watts I'm using.
Oh.
But so what's really cool about this whole system, you could set up a smart schedule. So whenever you're not, you don't use like your rooms, you could have the switch power off. So you're not using like the TV's on, the lights are on or something.
Okay.
So that's like, it's called standby waste.
Okay.
But over here,
It's a power.
it's power. You
Yeah.
can attach solar panels to it. We could take energy that we make through the solar panels and plug it into the batteries. And then the most important way we're gonna save electricity is a thing called TOU, I think it's called.
TOU.
TOU. Right, Albert, is it TOU?
Yeah.
Time of...
TOU?
TOU stands for time of use. It's a different price plan where electricity costs vary based on the time of day. So instead of having a higher flat rate, there's peak hours where it's pricier and off-peak hours where it's cheaper. And what you can do with EcoFlow is charge the batteries when the electricity is cheap and then use them to power the house when the electricity is pricey. So ideally, you'd be completely ignoring the peak hours and only pay the cheapest rate. All right, so for fun, this is how much you spent on electricity just last year. You're gonna be saving, boom, boom.
How much is that?
You're saving,
It's 1,000, right? Yeah.
yeah, you're saving 40%.
Are you sure?
You're saving 40% on your electricity.
In 1 year?
Yeah.
$1,000 a year.
I guess happy?
Yeah.
What do you guys think of the gadget?
It's very nice.
The gadget.
I love it.
So another thing,
Ah.
since this could cover us for a blackout,
Yes.
you want to test it out? You're gonna power the whole house with it?
Again?
Okay.
Don't
Let's
make
try
everything
it.
go
Don't make it like a fire.
blow. I don't want everything to blow up.
Okay, so that controls all the power to the house. If you turn it off, the whole house should still normally stay on.
Normally?
Normally.
Up. Hey. We have power. Hello. It works. It works. You see?
Now, did all these gadgets actually improve my parents' life? I don't know. But at least now we could power all of them using EcoFlow, as well as the entire house. And there's no need to worry about power outages anymore.